Today we are going to talk about teams. At some point in your career, you will be included on a team or possibly be in charge of putting a team together. Studies show that only 14% of teams are highly effective. We will be discussing how to create and maintain an effective team. A team consists of 2 or more people. They have shared goals and are committed to achieving those goals. Each member of the team is accountable for the performance and success of the team. We will be discussing 6 characteristics of an effective team. They are clarity of purpose, good communication, positive resolution for conflict, accountability and commitment, shared leadership, and positive group dynamics. For clarity of purpose, it's important to have clear and measurable objectives. It's also important to know how the team goals affect the company. Good communication is critical to keeping all members of the team informed. This continues to help the team stay focused and motivated. Not all conflict is bad when working on a team. You can use conflict or a difference of opinion to come up with improved decision-making, better creativity, and a problem-solving process. Each member of the team needs to understand their role and responsibilities. Each member needs to take accountability for their part and stay committed to the team throughout the process. In a team, there is not always one leader. Leadership responsibilities are usually shared. It's important to assume leadership roles when appropriate and follow others when needed. Positive group dynamics means being positive when dealing with conflict, as well as building trust, respect, honesty, and acceptance within the group. Staying positive is one of the most important aspects of an effective team. Positive teams are more productive. They're more creative, less stressed, and positivity brings out the best in your team. There are 5 main stages of developing a team. They are forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. When forming a team, make sure you select a diverse group. Take time to get to know one another, including each other's strengths and how best each member of the team can contribute. It's important to build trust and respect during this phase. The storming stage is the most difficult and critical stage to pass through. During this stage, it's important to resolve conflicts in a positive manner. All members must be included to overcome obstacles. Failure to address conflicts may result in long-term problems. During the norming stage, the team has worked through most of the conflicts and is becoming a cohesive group. This allows the team to focus on achieving their goals. During the performing stage, the team is well established and well functioning. The team is committed to completing the mission. During the adjourning stage, most of the goals have been accomplished. Final tasks are completed and wrapped up. Once they have completed their project, the team will disband and move on to other goals and other projects. There are several disadvantages to teams that you should look out for. If a team is not performing well, some members may get discouraged and want to quit the team or even quit the company. If you don't select a well-diversified group, you may get groupthink, which can stifle creativity. All members need to feel comfortable in sharing their ideas. Many people are individualists and prefer to work alone, but they can also be an important member of any team. It's good to know who prefers individual assignments versus group assignments. There can also be personality clashes when you get a diverse group together. Differences must be worked out and put aside for the group to function well. It's important not to blame each other when things aren't going well. Working through conflict in a positive way will help build trust. Social loafing is when a member of the team isn't pulling their weight or accomplishing their goals on time. Make sure your teams aren't so large that some members feel insignificant. As we talked about previously, it's important to know when to lead and when to follow when working in a group. There are also many advantages to working in a group. Especially with diverse teams, you get improved creativity and innovation. It can be a nice change of pace to work on a team and have different tasks to do and different people to interact with. Effective teams will be supportive of each other and can build friendships that last long after the team has been disbanded. Well-working teams can improve morale and motivation. When you know your team is counting on you, it can be easier to stay focused. Teams naturally provide a way for cross-training and learning more about different departments and different employees within the company. Effective teams can also lower turnover rates when trust and friendships have been strengthened. Working in a team can also teach you how to work more effectively with others in resolving conflicts in a positive way. I hope you can use this information to build more effective teams and be a better team member when you are included on your next team project.